So what happens to the man whose gun was used in a high-profile murder? Last year, University of Utah student Lauren McCluskey was shot to death by Melvin Rowland. Rowland eventually killed himself as police were closing in on him. Nathan Vogel admitted to giving Rowland the gun and will be sentenced next week. For every crime, there's a story in The Truth Matters. Here's ABC4's Marcos Ortiz with tonight's Justice Files.
Time served. That's what Nathan Vogel's attorney and federal prosecutors are asking of a judge. Vogel admitted that he gave the gun to a man who then used it to murder Lauren McCluskey. It was a gun similar to this .40 caliber that found its way to a murder scene. Last fall, Lauren McCluskey was in her car when Melvin Rowland came up to her and shot her to death. Rowland was a felon and a sex offender who fooled McCluskey into thinking he was someone else. The U of U student learned who he was and was trying to stop their relationship, and she even complained to police that he was stalking her. McCluskey's mother urged law enforcement to prosecute the man who gave Rowland the gun.
Supplying a gun to a person who later uses it in a crime is not a crime for the supplier.
Unless Vogel knew that Rowland was planning to use it to murder someone. The only crime prosecutors could charge him with is making false statements to buy a gun. He admitted to get Sarah Lady to buy the gun for him. It's called a straw purchase. Scortis, a former prosecutor and now a defense attorney, says that kind of crime is rarely enforced.
We don't punish people for that type of offense. Historically, it's not even a crime that we often charge.
According to court documents, Vogel has no criminal history, went to police right after the murder to confess he gave the gun to Rowland. Both sides are seeking no prison time and that he be placed on 3 years probation. McCluskey's mother issued this text to ABC4, Vogel will have a felony on his record. I have no other comment. Vogel spent only a few days in a Southern California jail and then was released. Wednesday, he'll be sentenced in federal court. The judge has the final say about Vogel's future. For the Justice Files, Marcos Ortiz, ABC4 News.
And thank you, Marcos.